Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Brittany. For those of you who are new, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, just hit that little notification bell. It lets you know when I upload. For today's video, I am just doing the eyes and the lips with the new Amrezy and Anastasia collab that just recently came out. Beautiful pink packaging. It's glittery. Does kind of a little bit come off, but not too much. But if you have not already seen this all over social media, this is what she looks like. This has 16 shades in this palette. That has not happened in a collab with Anastasia, but this is such an Amrezy palette. This is all her like warms and pops of little colors here and there, but mostly like the gold tones and the bronzy shades is what I like, reminds me of her. But anyways, if you would like to see how I did this eye makeup look and the lips part, then just go ahead and please stay tuned. Perfect time to launch because it looks like a Valentine's Day palette. I can tell the brush from the actual palette, it seems more dense than the other one in the past. Take a fluffier brush and we're gonna blend this out a little bit more. I'm gonna pick up the shade called Semsa and I'm gonna build up this color. Clean blending brush. Use my melt one just to diffuse all of these beautiful shades together. Now for the lid color, I don't know what I'm gonna choose, but kind of leaning towards Cupcake, which is like a purple kind of color. Yeah, I'm gonna use the shade Cupcake in hopes that it will come out looking fabulous. Looking like a V-Day inspired look for sure. It wasn't wet at all, the actual eyeshadow, so it's pretty pigmented. I mean, Anastasia's eyeshadows are pretty pigmented. They're pretty well made and pressed. So I usually have never, I don't think I've had a problem with a color. Maybe once, probably because like it wasn't picking up too much, but that was like once in like all of the palettes that I've purchased. So very, very nice. I'm gonna add some black on the outer corner so we can make this a little bit more of a sultry look. I want to see how the Reezy color looks on top of this because I just want to gravitate towards it. So I'm going to use the other side of the brush. And we're going to pick up Amrezy. I'm going to put this right on the center. And it gives it more pink. Okay. Amrezy. It's a very nice shift. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm going to use the black matte on here, which is BK. So we're going to use BK in here, the matte black. And I'm going to add just a tiny bit right on the outside. Very, very, very little. You can like barely even see that. So like super, super light. I barely went in like with one tap. Just gave it a little bit of a smokiness. This is such an Amrezy palette for sure. I'm gonna take away all this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna use Simpson now. I'm not used to bringing my lower lash line like all the way down, but it's nice. I'm gonna use the one that we use, the brush that we use the BK on. Just kind of run it a little. I'm gonna use Wasted, which is this really light pink color. I'm just gonna throw it on the brow bone because I don't have a brow bone color on this with this look. I mean, granted, it's fine, but just so we can have something on there, the brow bone. Mascara, I'm gonna put on some lashes, and then we can move on to the lips. This is Morphe's Sweet Tea Lip Liner. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Soho Lip Gloss right on the center. The lashes that I have on are from Blinking Beauty. These are the Samantha style ones. These are like really old, but I have not used them in such a long time, so that's why we're gonna use them. So that is the end of this eye makeup look. Very, very Valentine's Day-y if you celebrate that. I didn't even use an inner corner, but you know what? Let's add some more highlight because I feel like we're not highlighted enough. This is MAC Whisper of Guilt. So that is the end of this eye makeup look and little lip tutorial. You've seen my foundation routine plenty of times. I will list everything down in the description box for you to see what I use on my face if you're curious. But that is all that I have to share with you with this tutorial. And if you enjoyed this kind of little tutorial, just the eyes and the lips, give me a little thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoyed it. And I'll catch you in the next one. Toodles!